In this video, we will solve problems of direct variations using proportions. A direct variation is one in which the quantities being compared are directly related. So as one quantity increases or decreases, the other does the same. We also say these quantities are directly proportional. In a pair of data, one item is identified as the independent variable, such as the number of apples purchased. The independent variable represents input values of a function. The other item depends on the first item and is identified as the dependent variable, such as the total cost of the apples. The dependent variable is the result in a function of a relationship with the independent variable. To set up a direct proportion, first, establish two pairs of related data. Second, write one pair of data in the numerator of two ratios. Third, write the other pair of data in the denominators of the ratios. Then fourth, form a proportion using the two ratios. For example, find the cost of 10 apples if 4 apples cost $1. We have two pairs of related data here. 4 apples are to $1 as 10 apples are to C dollars. And we can set up a proportion. 4 apples over 10 apples is equal to $1 over C dollars, and we cross multiply. 4C equals 10 times 1, which is 10. So C equals 10 over 4, which is 2.5. 10 apples would cost $2.50. How many apples can be purchased for $10? Again, we have two data pairs. 4 apples is to $1, as 8x apples is to $10. 4 apples over x apples equals $1 over $10. We cross multiply. 4 times 10 equals 1 times x, so 40 equals x. You can buy 40 apples for $10. One more example. A truck travels 102 miles on 6 gallons of gasoline. How far will it travel on 30 gallons of gasoline? Our data pairs, 6 gallons are to 102 miles, as 30 gallons are to some unknown number of miles. So we set up our proportion. 6 over 102 equals 30 over x, and we cross multiply. So 6x equals 30 times 102. That is 6x equals 3060. Divide both sides by 6 to see that x is 510 miles.